Good evening. Video message for Dougie. Hey Dougie, how you doing? Well, thanks for buying the Stihl 044. She wasn't on for very long, was she? So it was interesting, this saw. This came from a really nice guy, shout out Rich, over in West Wales. And I think he'd had her for a couple of years and hadn't finished her off. And literally in my possession, she's just had a bar and brand new chain. In fact, it comes with a brand new Oregon ripping chain, you know, one of the 75 RDs, so quite a blunt looking face on the cutting tooth. I went through a phase of enjoying using those on a few of my Alpinas as well. So she has a spare one of those which has been cut with once or twice. This is the brand new 75 LPX, so she's not cut with, we'll change that now. Also has a Sandvik full chisel, and probably 40% tooth life left. My tendonitis is making it very, very difficult to do any sharpening. Comes with a brand new spare air filter as well. So she has a new rim sprocket, new chain, had a new fuel pickup, new plug, and then it's just been sitting on the shelf. So I'll run her through some wood, send you the video, let me know if you like her. If you do, then she can go tomorrow. They're on strike today. So 18-inch bar, or just 18-inch piece of wood. And so it'll be interesting as well, because I was cutting with this the other day with one of my with my 262 and with my 045, so that'd be a really interesting comparison when I see what she goes through the wood like. So on paper these make, I think, 5.5 horsepower or 5.4. Well, she's definitely quicker than the 262 and the 045. Wow, really fabulous power in the cut. A little bit. So this was the first 44 I've actually had complete saw, and I think she's obviously had reasonable usage in her life because of the missing paint on the front and at the back, but the piston's really clean. Let me show her on a restart. Actually, need throttle lock. Hey Dougie, so that's how she runs and performs. I'd say the cutting performance is fantastic, in fact. I don't know how big a bar these actually run up to on paper. Feels like a beautiful weighted setup with the 18-inch, although probably with the 22 or 24 will still be spectacular as well. Send you the video if you like the saw. I'll send it tomorrow. Hopefully many more deals for us. Stay safe. Bye for now.